Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening the camera app and positioning your phone so the subject fills the frame. Tap to focus on the area you want sharp. This locks exposure briefly. If you have an iPhone with multiple lenses, swipe to the correct lens, 0, 5, 1x, 2x, so the optical path matches your subject distance. Once done, hold the phone steady or brace your arms to reduce motion blur, because focus will struggle if the camera moves while locking. Now refine focus and exposure. Tap and hold the focus point until AE/AF lock appears. That keeps focus stable while you recompose. Drag the small sun icon to raise or lower exposure. This prevents the camera from refocusing to compensate for brightness changes. If you need shallow depth, switch to portrait mode. If you want fine manual control, use third-party pro apps with manual focus sliders. Make sure to relock. Whenever you move the phone, finish by verifying sharpness on the screen and taking a few test shots. You can always retake. If focus seems off, tap the subject again or disable live photo, which can complicate focus in some situations. If problems persist, clean the lens, close and reopen camera, or reboot the phone to clear transient software issues. As a last resort, try a third-party camera app. Sometimes its manual focus control gives more reliable results in tricky lighting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.